How's it going, YouTube? Back with the XC Mad Drift. So we're gonna go ahead and zero out the GPS. It's gonna be a 6S pass. This road is salty, but as I said in the XTM video, I was itching. I need to see what it do. So wait till these cars clear, and I'm gonna gotta take it down and bring it back. Body nice and bright. See that thing. Alright, y'all, here we come. Ugly on me there at the beginning. Ooh, hit 99. I still think I could break 100 though. I still think I could break 100 on her. Yeah. I gotta get it right. Yeah. Anyway, that was a good run, man. 99, success. That's just warm-up passes. You know, I'm gonna start getting it in now. But we'll see. You know, it's all talk till it's time to make it do what it do. But she's coming down straight. Just got a little wobbly in the beginning, but I ain't done yet for today. All right, YouTube, we back at it. So last time I hit 99, I'm not sure if I posted the video together or separate, so just showing y'all zeroed out right now. About to get another one in. So make sure y'all seeing that. Make sure this road clear. That was good. Alright, y'all, here we come. Alright, now we talking, y'all. So I got 104 on that pass. Make sure y'all seeing that. Let me get out the road, guys. So that was 104. Let me show y'all, this is a single 6S pack in here. So single 6S pack. Count the wires. Oh, that's it. So Forza motor in there. Making sure I take off this GoPro so y'all can see that. Alright, y'all, that's the Forza motor in there. No TP up in there yet. I hope y'all see that. Damn. Alright, y'all, single 6S pack. That's the China Hobby 6S. 104 on a warm up. Alright, y'all stay tuned. I'ma still socket to this motor. That was 104 on 6S, and I'ma still keep going before I even try 8S or to switch the motor. So thank you guys for tuning in. Appreciate it.